Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 9 Pro again with the broken back glass. So David is gonna fix it and replace it. So this smartphone came in from the same owner as our previous video. So there's two OnePlus 9 Pros, one with a broken display and one with a back glass broken, and this is that one. So this is pretty damaged, so we're not gonna focus more on the internal components rather on the first layer of the smartphone that we're gonna remove. So you can actually prevent damage to your back cover, but if you're not into phone cases, this is gonna be cringy, but it's gonna really protect your back cover and the corners of your smartphone if you have a clear case. If you want the bare minimum, you can also put skins on the back of your smartphone to customize it while protecting it. But some people doesn't really want that, so that's still okay. You can still replace parts of your OnePlus 9 Pro just like this one, but it's gonna take a bit of effort. David has a replacement back cover here, so it's just gonna be a direct swap. He has already cleaned the old adhesive, and now we're gonna put a fresh layer of our own, and then we're gonna be done. Just gonna align it and press it in, and then we're gonna be good to go, just like brand new. So if you want this kind of repair, very minor but very important, message us, visit us, and get to know David. Till next time, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.